Hi guys, good evening. This is Yapi and kakauwi lang namin galing ng SM. So, kinuha ko na yung race kit for Pride Run for tomorrow. So, let's unbox it with me. Pinapanood ako ni Nala. So, unbox natin to. So, ang dami namin... Later na, mama muna. So, ang dami naming ganap kanina. Ang dami naming nilakad kanina sa MOA. And then, nag-Ayala Mall kami. Mas nag-Ayala Mall kami kasi ang onti ng tao doon kaysa sa MOA. So, anyway, wait lang. I-unbox lang natin to. Maghihilamos na ako actually at nagre-ready na ako. So, here's my... Of course, ay may paraffol and my bib. I am 5'3". I'm only running 5 kilometers. And we have, I think this is the singlet. First time to get a singlet kasi Pink Run, wala atong singlet na free sa Pink Run. So, this is in medium. Ay, parang ang laki. Is it nice? It's color purple. It's color purple. It's Mama. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow because I'm gonna run tomorrow. And then, this is the bandana. Parang bigla ang surprise lang siya last minute. So, let's just check. I might use this as a bandana. So, how cute. Cute. Nala, look. Is it cute?
What's that?
It's a bandana or a scarf. Is it cute?
Yeah.
So, ayun. Yun lang naman yung kasama no race kit. And tomorrow pa ata, syempre, yung loot bag and medal. So, I'll bring you guys with me tomorrow. Magpapahinga na ako. Matutulog na ako in a while. So, skincare lang. And then, let's go. Laters. Hi guys. Good morning. It's currently 3:28 a.m. I'm about to go to the Pride Run. 4 o'clock yung assembly time, tapos 5 a.m. yung start ng race ng 5 kilometers. But, malapit lang naman ako sa MOA. So, mga 5 minutes nandun na ako. So, hindi ako nagmamadali. Ako yung mag-aayos muna. Sama ko kayo mamaya, so I'll see you later. Bye.
Chef on a Diet, House of Frutas, and Rebel Bakehouse, Hayes Salad, Tomo Coffee, and Women's Run Collection. We would also like to acknowledge our friends from
Wala si Ate. was able to do 5 kilometers under 40. Hey, hello!
Oops, recommended ko 72 hours. Bawal ako.
Pakita nyo yung medal. Medal!
Ay,
Tatay na lang namin si She. Ayan. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2. Dami pa dun, picturan.
Kami din.
Photographer ya. Kuha kaming loot bag. Nasaan ang pila? $3K. Unbox natin mamaya.
Napagod ba kayo kanina? Oo, kami din.
Vitamin
Yung
D.
kaibigan ko, si Astrid Mercury, hindi na pa.
Oo nga, nasaan yun?
Ayan, oo, hello!
Parang fresh siya pa rin.
Ang inang sarap mo, che. Sorry. Hirap yan.
Na dati ay ano?
Aaste!
Hello guys! So, nakauwi na ako. Galing ako ng Pride Run. Nakauwi ako mga around 10 a.m. kasi kumain pa kami sa Army Navy. And then, nagchika-chikahan lang din naman. Mabilis lang naman ako nakauwi since ang lapit ko lang naman sa MOA. And then, ayun. Unbox natin to. Itong loot bag. Meron siyang kasamang saging at saka meron ding tubig. Pero ininom ko na kasi yun at saka kinain ko na yung saging. So, ayan. Here, nilagay ko yung scarf dito. Ayan. May bib. Meron akong planong gawin dito. And then, my medal. Super cute ng medal. I cannot. Kasi, ayan o. By the way, I ran 5 kilometers. Oh, ayan. Cute, di ba? Super cute. At makita niyo yung mga, ang ganda din. Ang ganda din ng likod, actually. Ayan o. Akala ko nga walang something sa likod eh. And then, the lanyard. So, I ran 5 kilometers, 4 of us, and then yung isa nag 3 kilometers siya. But, I was able to finish 5 kilometers under 50 minutes. Medyo mahirap tumakbo dun sa una kasi daming naglalakad. So, hindi ganun kalaki hindi naman, malaki naman yung kalsada, pero ang dami kasi na lang naglalakad. So, ang hirap na pag ganon ka. Siguro may feeling ako na baka mas maaga ko siyang natapos kung hindi ganun. But naglakad-lakad din naman ako dun sa every kilometer. And what I can say is super organized ni Run Rio. Hands down ako sa kanila doon. Ang ganda ng organizer na Run Rio. First time kasi namin tumakbo with Run Rio. Kala mo naman, napakadami na na pinuntahan na race. But yeah, ang ganda nung nung event, organized and super fun. Super fun, especially yung program since inantay namin hanggang raffle. Ini-expect namin kung mabubunot ba kami. But unfortunately, hindi kami nabunot. Anyway, dumadaldal na ako dito. Balik tayo dito sa loot bag. So first, ang madami dito is yung sa Wellspring. Yung may mga melatonin. This is Nighttime Beauty. Ito with collagen, yan. Ito, normal melatonin lang. And then, mga brochure din meron ako dito. So, mga brochure for glow relief. And then, Luby. Meron din siyang kasama na Luby. And then, Salon Pass. Okay lang din. Okay naman yung loot bag. For me, okay naman siya. And then, Quaker Oats. Si Piolo Pascual. And then, last two would be... This one is the Himalaya Salt Mint Candy. And then, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Daily Fix Granola. Very nutty. So I can... akala ko yung nuts. Granola pala to. Kasi meron si Daily Fix na mga mixed nuts na pwede mo lang for snacking. Akala ko ganun siya. Granola pala. So, I'll try this later. But, yun nga, today is also Father's Day. So, we're gonna celebrate Father's Day. Dito lang naman kami sa bahay. Hindi na kami makikipagsabayan sa labas. And as you can see, ay may medyo, hindi ko lang ayaw lumabas ng sipon ko or what. Pero medyo masama pa rin pakiramdam ko. But I'm feeling much, much better than yesterday. And I still have my period. So, good job, self, for attending the race and finishing it. And then, back to regular programming na tayo. I'm still gonna go ahead and do my runnings every other day since I'm planning to do a 10-kilometer by August. So, kailangan talaga natin mag-training. But anyway, wala din naman ako masyadong gagawin for the whole day. I might just rest after namin mag-lunch. So, I'm not sure hanggang kailan tong vlog na to, but I'll see you guys later. Bye! Good morning, guys. I just finished watching voicemails to Isabel. Super, super good. I think ito yung mga rom-coms na dapat pinapalabas lately. So far, sobrang ganda. I mean, it's really worth your watch. I'm not sure if it's adaptation. I think there is a book na familiar with the movie, but I'm not sure. I'll go ahead and check on that later. Anyway, this is the day after the Pride run, and I'm still not really feeling well, but still better. I'm gonna go ahead and do a strength workout for today, but pupunta muna kami ng multi. Samahan ko lang si Jowa. Good morning! Kakatapos ko lang mag-run dito sa Okada ulit. I was able to do 4 kilometers in 35 minutes. And grabe, ang struggle din pala magtumakbo ng sobrang lakas ng hangin dito. And walang araw. Hindi ko alam kung uulan, pero sobrang lakas ng hangin. Baka naririnig nyo ngayon sa video. But anyway, wala naman ako masyadong gagawin today. Papahinga na ako and then uuwi na. So, see you later.